So basically, I'm tired.
Yeah. What's up? How y'all doing? See, this wardrobe is very tiny. I've had a bunch of stuff in there that I'm no longer wearing, and they're just taking out space in my closet. Literally unnecessary space. Even the drawer is not closing. What is this? I do not understand. But none of that is empty. My trousers, my skirts, basically my downs, and some of my ups, they all go in there. So that's what we're coming to do now. This is actually looking scarier, way scarier than I thought. Yeah, so this is the pile, and some people I've not seen pictures of, and others people they're tired of seeing pictures of it because I've worn it so hard. So some of those things need to go. Okay, make sure you're enjoying the hell out of your clothes you're buying with your money, because I mean, last you only have one life to live. Do you get it? Okay guys, this skirt, right, I ended up buying it at a trade fair event and I absolutely love it, but I've worn it one time and the picture did not serve it justice, and it's looking cute. It's just the color, it's not really much of my color, but I think I can still style it, so we're keeping this one like this. I have one mad-ass outfit I'm planning to wear with this pants, so it absolutely goes back inside the wardrobe. Oh guys, this I've had for a long time. Something like this now, I have attachments to it because I've had it since Ghana, y'all. Ghana, my second home. I know, I can't, no, I need space. Okay, you know what, fuck it. Oh, I can't, I shouldn't go. Do I really need to get rid of this outfit? Okay, bye-bye. The things in here, if it's past a year and I have not worn it more than 3 times, I gotta go, okay? That means it's not my style. Definitely gotta go. If I've worn it more than 7 to 10 times and it has not hit the ground, I gotta go. If I've worn it 3 times, or if it's new, they go in the wardrobe. I don't want a situation where I'm buying new things that I actually had. Cause I'm doing guys, like those black trousers, I definitely need this. It's an essential to be in your wardrobe. I think I'll let this one go. This one gotta go, and this one is staying. They're staying with us, okay? This is a must keep. It's not necessary, yeah? I can live without it, so. Yeah, this drawer was not closing, okay? This particular drawer, it was not closed. This one I have not worn it yet. It's a beach cover up because it's see-through, so it's like a cover up. I've not worn it yet. It needs to be taken picture. Guys, I love pictures, okay? I just love it. So this space is done. We're done with that space. Now onto this space. Another banger. This is a bunch of mess. This is just a whole bunch of mess.
Basically, I'm tired.
Pull up in your CD, I'm a banana. I love my party after party, party after party. Spend some money, party after party, party after party. I don't teach you, say I don't teach you.
I feel so relieved because it was almost like these things were taking space up in my head. Literally my entire wardrobe was a mess. I would just look at it and I would feel bad because there's no space for it, and it's also making my entire, like, I could not think straight because my entire wardrobe section was messy. I can finally put new quality pieces that I absolutely love, even though I know you know I am going to end up buying another clothes that I do not like and I'm never gonna wear, but I'm just gonna buy it for the buy sake of it, okay? But I am done with these things, and yeah, as you guys can see, these are all the things I was able to gather. And let me tell you, this is almost like this is like literally, this is like 60 to 70% of my wardrobe, okay? So I got one bag of the things in here, and this one would go for my mom, and this is gonna be shared between my house girl and my small sister. These are my lingeries and my underwear, and those are my casual feet and my gym stuff at the back. Here are just new outfits, bikini covers, and two pieces that I have not worn before. I have my trousers at the back there, trousers I've already worn, and these are trousers I have not worn yet and I need to wear so I can get some pictures, because why not? Here are my skirts, here are my short pairs. I don't even have much. These are my coats, my shirt, and this is that first wardrobe, and this is how it's looking now. It's so empty, like literally it's looking packed, arranged. This was not even closing before, okay? My coats, my dresses, my tank tops, my bag, everything. So yes, I did it. Your girl Dan did well, okay? She done a good job. That's it. Peace out. Make sure y'all subscribe. I love you. Thank you for watching. Bye.